Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those videos do interest you, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in December. Before we start counting this cash here, I am going to open up a sparkling water. I have the winter sangria. This is going to be the one I'm going to be opening up in my videos because that's all I have. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. Wow, that is freezing cold, but it tastes so delicious. I'm going to get my calculator out. Okay, let's start off with the cash here. So we have 51, 150, 200. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $20, $40, $60, $83, $20. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $110, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $210, $20, $30. We have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we are cash stuffing $860 of regular cash, and then let's just go ahead and count my prop money. So we have 1, 2, 253, 350, 370, 390, 410, 20, 35, 45, 47, 49, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. So that's $460 to my bills. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my cash envelopes for my wallet. We're going to start with eating out. Eating out is going to get 50. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Spending is getting 80. $20, $40, $50, $60, $65, $70, $75, $76, $77, $8, $9, $80. Compra is getting $180. So we have 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Gas, I rolled over $20 from my last weekly end stuffing. Gas is getting 100. Let's just make sure that this is 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and 10, 15, 20. Household is getting a 5. Household now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 86, and 87. We're going to go to my future rent. Future rent is getting 50. How is everyone doing? I know I'm kind of quiet, but last time I said that, the video ends up being so long. So hope everyone is having a good week. Go ahead and leave me a comment with how your day's going. Okay, so let's just count to see how much future rent has. 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 650, 75. Cell phone is getting 25. Cell phone now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay, so I'm going to reset this up because I'm going to start cashing my bills, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We're going to start with rent. Rent is getting $285. So that's 1, 2, 50, 70, 85. Comcast is getting 53. Comcast now has 51, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for those that might be new, the reason why I cash stuff my bills money in prop is because I no longer do budget with me's. I used to record them. I used to reconcile my account and then show you guys the numbers. And then I used to just do my budget with me's. But those videos do not get many views on my channel. So instead of me recording that and basically wasting my time, I'm just going to go ahead and just cash stuff my envelopes with prop money. This money stays in my account. I am not a month ahead yet, so that money does not get pulled. Once I am a month ahead, I will probably pull that money and use real cash. But for now, it's just money that represents money that's being taken out of my account. All right, so let's just continue. So car insurance is getting 74. 50, 70, 1, 72, 73, and 74. Car insurance now has 51, 20, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. Renter's insurance is getting 16. So we have 10, 15, 16. And the reason why I move my envelopes to the side of the screen is because the glare on here is really bad with these envelopes. Apple storage is getting $3. So we have 2, 3. Apple Music is getting 11. So we have 10, 11. CBS All Access is getting 10. My medical bill, actually, okay, I did not take out enough money for prop, but that's okay. I'll take it out now. Okay, so Hulu, I have a Hulu subscription. That's getting $3. I'm going to put that in, I'm going to put this with my Apple storage, and I'll turn it around only because I need to get an envelope for Hulu or maybe subscriptions. I need money for my gym. So the gym is getting 25. So that's 25. And then I also need half of medical. So medical is getting, let's see. Medical is actually getting 76. My medical bill did increase because I'm on 2 payment plans. So my monthly bill is $123. So 75, and then I need $1. Okay, so oh yes, I do have $1 right here. All right, so this should be 120. This is 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 121, 22, and 23. Okay, so that is it for my bills binder. I'm going to reset this up. We're going to start with my low priority sinking funds. Okay, we're going to start with this binder here. We are just going to be cash stuffing MWP with $10 because TAP is already fully funded, and this I am taking back to the bank so it can collect a little bit of interest before February. MWP now has 1, 2, 10, 25, 35, 45, 50, 250. And the goal for MWP is 300. Delight is getting a 10. Delight now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 114. Dustin is getting 90. You guys, I got my tabs in the mail. So adorable. Okay, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to allocate to each tab just yet, but I just wanted to show you guys my new tabs, and this is how I'm going to distribute his money. So he's going to be his needs, bills, and then emergency. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this in the envelope for now, and it fits perfect in here. See that? Okay, so Dustin, like I said, is getting 90. Let's just fix this money and get the denominations. This should be 90. So that's 50, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So let's add it to this stack here. Dustin now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 5, 105, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. So that's 141. Fun is getting 5. Gifts is also getting a 10. Gifts now has 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 2. Home decor is getting a 10. Home decor now has 20, 30, 45, 55, 61. Supplies is getting a 5. Supplies now has 10, 25, 35, 40. Support a friend is getting a 5. Support a friend has 10, 25. Okay, we're going to start off with car maintenance for my high priority. Car maintenance is getting 15. Car maintenance has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, and 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 66, and 67. So that's 1,167. Medical is getting 75. That's 20, 40, 60, 75. Medical now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, and 82. So that's 582. Emergency is getting 15. Emergency has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000, and 10, 25, 35. So that's $1,035. Travel is getting 15. Travel now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 97, 10, 25. So that's $725. Savings is getting 15. Savings has 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So that's 380. 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is getting a 10. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 500, and 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 96, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's $2,650. Okay, this money here is $80 and it's for my box challenge. Let's see. I believe I need to cash stuff this envelope with 80. Yes. So we have 20, 40, 60, 85. The only thing I have left to cash stuff in this box challenge is, I think it's the last 100. Let me see. Actually, it's 80 because I already cash stuffed this with 20. So all I have to do is cash stuff this with $80, and this box challenge is complete. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, you guys, this is the end of my video. I don't have any money here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And also, if you are not already subscribed, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my channel. Leave me a purple heart emoji if I know that you are at this point. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.